protected a worksheet and forgot the password? Happens all the time. I have my friends and people sending me these files where they have protected a worksheet and now they don't remember the password. Or sometimes it was created by someone else and now that person is not around. Thankfully, Excel's inbuilt worksheet protection is not very robust, so you can easily get around it. And the best part is you do not need any third-party software or website or any tool to do this. You can do that right in your computer in less than a minute. So let me show you how it's done. So here is a dashboard file that I have and I created many years ago, and this is protected. So I want to work with this, but if I come here and I click on any of the cells or try and change anything, it shows me this prompt which says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. If I come here and I try and unprotect this sheet, then it would show me this prompt where it asks for the password, which let's say I do not know. So I have these 3 sheets and all these sheets are protected. And also I have a link of this dashboard in the description so you can download it. If you want to learn how I've created this dashboard, it's part of my free Excel dashboard course. So I would also have a link to it so you can see how it was made. But coming back to the topic, I want to unprotect this entire worksheet, or let's say all these 3 worksheets. So I'm going to close this file and I'm going to work with this Excel file here. So I have this file in the folder called downloads and the file is named call center dashboard final. Now the first thing I would do is I would make a copy because I do not want to make changes to the actual file just in case things go wrong. So I don't want to mess with the original file. So let me make a copy of this file. So now it's called call center dashboard final dash copy. And now here I'm going to change the extension from XLSX to zip. And when I do that, it is going to convert this Excel file into a zip folder and it is going to show me this prompt, just say yes. And now it has converted this file into a zip folder. Now I can double click into it and it takes me inside and shows me all these folders. So I'm going to go into this folder called Excel. And when I do that, it shows me many more folders. But where I'm interested is this folder called worksheets. And now when I double click on this, it shows me all the worksheets that I have in the file. Now, if you have just 1 or 2 worksheets, those would show up here. If you have more, all those worksheets would show up here. Now I'm going to make some change in this sheet so that the worksheet protection is removed. But again, I do not want to work with the actual file. So let me copy this, go back to the downloads folder and put it here. So paste it here. And now I'm going to work with this. So I'm going to right click on this and then I'm going to open it in a WordPad, or you can open it in a notepad. The idea here is that it will give me a code like this and I want to change this code. Now it's very simple. All you need to do is search for the word protect. And when you do that, you'll see something like this, sheet protection, and then some stuff here. So what you need to do is select the starting of this word sheet protection, including the bracket, and then just select till the end of the bracket. So in this case, I'm going to select it till here. So this entire part is what is responsible for protecting your sheet. So if I remove this part, I save this, close this. Now I'm going to copy this, go back into this folder, this zip folder, into worksheets, remove this XML file here, and I'm going to paste the one that I have changed. So I have removed the protection from here. So let's try this. Let me go back to the downloads folder, and here I'm going to change the zip back into XLSX. So now when I change this, it'll again show me this prompt, just say yes. And now it has converted this zip folder back into an Excel file. And if I open this, again, I see my dashboard, so everything is as is, but you will see that now I can make changes to these cells, which means that the worksheet protection has been removed. So even if you do not know the password, you can still easily remove the worksheet protection. And I only removed it from sheet number 3. You will see that these sheet, the calculation sheet and the data sheet, are still protected. So you can again go back into the zip folder and unprotect those sheets as well. So this is how you can easily remove worksheet protection from any Excel file in a couple of steps. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.